Introduction to Affiliate Marketing Lesson 1.1. What is affiliate marketing? Welcome, everyone. Let's kick things off by talking about affiliate marketing. So, what exactly is it? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward individuals known as affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their websites through their marketing efforts. Think of it like this: when you promote a product or service and someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Pretty cool, right? Here's how it works. Promoting the product. As an affiliate, your job is to promote a product or service using various channels, like your blog, social media accounts, or even email marketing, earning commissions each time someone clicks your referral link and completes a desired action like making a purchase or signing up for a service. You earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's break down the three key players in the affiliate marketing ecosystem. The merchant. This is the company or individual who creates and sells the product. They're looking to increase their sales by leveraging the marketing efforts of affiliates like you. The affiliate. That's you. You promote the merchant's products to your audience using unique tracking links. This way, the merchant can see exactly where their sales are coming from. The network. In some cases, there's an intermediary known as an affiliate network. Think of networks like Amazon Associates or ShareSale. They provide the infrastructure for tracking sales and distributing commissions, making it easier for everyone involved. Let's see how it works in practice. Step 1. You join an affiliate program and get a unique referral link. Step 2. You promote the merchant's products using that link on your website, social media, or blog. Step 3. A user clicks your link and is directed to the merchant's website. Step 4. If they make a purchase or sign up, congratulations, you earn a commission. Lesson 1.2. Benefits of affiliate marketing. Now that we understand what affiliate marketing is, let's discuss why it's become so popular, particularly among beginners. First up is the low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses, where you might have to invest in product creation, inventory, or shipping, affiliate marketing requires very little upfront investment. All you need is a platform like a blog or social media account to start promoting products, and that can be free or very low cost. Next is flexibility. One of the fantastic things about affiliate marketing is that you can work from anywhere, at any time. You get to promote products in a niche you're passionate about, set your own schedule, and choose which brands you want to collaborate with. It's truly a business that can fit around your lifestyle.